Hey there tanners, Sam here from Tan Angels, and I'm about to show you what's so fantastic about the Tan.Lite 32000 by Tan Easy. First of all, they don't call it light for no reason. You can literally pick this up and take it anywhere with you. Perfect for you mobile spray tanners and a salon system. Secondly, it comes already set up with the inbuilt wall mounts, so you can attach it to make it look really professional in any home salon or any professional salon. And finally, it comes ready to go with your quick connects connections, meaning there's no more fuss when it comes to connecting your hose from your spray tan applicator right through to the system itself. And finally, we want to take our power cord, plug it in like this, and the other end into our power socket. Now we're ready to spray tan.